I just got a YouTube viewer out there that has this very same power supply I got here. And they're not 100% sure where the wiring goes on it. So I'm assuming they took it apart without taking pictures of it possibly, or they're working on it. I have no idea. But in any event, this is on the model 22-8230. And well, the only way that I'm going to get this thing apart, unfortunately for me, is they have this thing riveted together. So in order for me to get my board out of here, I'm going to have to break the rivets, drill out the rivets, in order to get this board removed. I'm going to have to unsolder my positive and negative as well here. Well, what you wouldn't do for a subscriber. Let's see if we can get this board out. Okay, so you got to release the two potentiometers here as well to get this board out. So have a good look here. It was what? There's no wiring that attaches to this side of the board. None at all. I'll turn the light on here so you might be able to have a bit of a better look. This side of the board, your meter red wire goes down to the switch down here. So your transformer's two red wires connect here, your two yellows there. Excusez-moi. We got a green connects over here, purple down there, a little white one, and a black one, and another black one. Hopefully that helps. Now, put my power supply back together. So I got a couple, 3 soft threading screws put in there, and then it goes right into the aluminum. No problem. And keep it nice and tight. And red and black, which goes at the binding posts. So, anyways, and there we go. Hopefully this video is of some use to you. And need any more information, let me know. All the best. Ren 63 out.